This is lesson 2 of time and work, and in this lesson 2 we will do some more examples on basics of time and work. Some more examples on basics of time and work. Let's understand the question. A plus B, the question says that A plus B together can do a work in 12 days. B plus C together can do the same work in 15 days. A and C together can do the same work in 20 days. The question is asking A alone will do the work in how many days? B alone will do the same work in how many days? C alone will do the same work in how many days? This is the what we need to calculate. Again, we can assume the total work as, let's say total work is equals to W. Now what should be the value of W? As per the question, A and B is doing W units of work in 12 days. So in one day A and B will do W by 12. Same way B and C, one day work would be W by 15. A and C, one day work would be W by 20. I am not writing because in exam you don't have to write W by 12, W by 15, W by 20. Just directly have to solve the question. So total work W should be a multiple of 12, 15 or 20. Let's say this is equal to 60 units. Why I have taken 60? Because 60 is divisible by 12, 15 as well as 20. So can I say A plus B one day work? A plus B one day work. When I'm writing A plus B one day work, it automatically means that A one day work plus B one day work is how much? In 12 days they are doing 60, so one day they will do 5. What about B and C one day work? B and C one day work. It automatically means B one day work and C one day work. B and C 15 days they are doing 60, so one day they will do 4. What about A and C one day work? It automatically means that A one day work plus C one day work. In 20 days they are doing 60, so one day they will do 3. Now, but we need to calculate the work done by A alone, time taken by A alone, B alone and C alone. What we'll do, we'll add these three equations. After adding, what you will get? You can see that in these three equations, A is doing one day work is here, one day work here. So in total, A is doing 2 days work. What about B? B is also doing one day work here. I'm circling it, and one day work here. So B is also doing 2 days of work in these three equations. What about C? C is also doing one day work here and one day work here. So in total, if you add this, you will get A plus B plus C 2 days work, 2 DW, because all of them are doing 2 days. So 2 days work would be 12. Can I say A plus B plus C one day work would be 6. This is the one day work would be 6. You can name this equation. This equation you can say that this is equals to equation number 1, 2 and 3. This is equation number 1, equation number 2, this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Now our question is now solved almost. Now what we need to calculate, first calculate the A alone. A alone will do the work in how many days? This first I am calculating A alone. Now you can see that A plus B plus C in one day all three of them are doing 6 units of work. What B and C is doing? From second equation you can see that B and C is doing 4 units of work. All three is doing 6, out of which B and C is doing 4. So by common sense, A is doing 2 units of work one day. To do 60, A will take 30 days. What about B alone? Look at A and C. A and C is doing 3 units of work. A and C one day work is 3. All three one day work is 6. So by common sense, B one day work would be 3. Because A and C is doing 3. So B will be do 3, total will be 6. So B one day work is 3. So B is doing 3 units of work one day. To do 60 will take 20 days. What about C alone? For C alone, I will go to the first equation. A and B, look at this equation. A and B is doing 5 units of work. All 3 is doing 6. So by common sense, C is doing 1 unit of work 1 per day. So C will take 60 days to complete the work. So in this way you can solve this question logically. This is another example I have written. The question says that P plus Q plus R together can do a piece of work in 15 days. P plus Q plus R together worked for 2 days and then P left. Q plus R together worked for next 10 days and then Q left. R alone completed the remaining work in next 40 days. Question says that if R alone can do the complete work in 75 days, P alone will do the work in how many days? Now this question first of all appears to be very difficult question. As you can see, there are 4 to 5 lines are there, but these questions, especially in time and work, seems to be lengthy, but they are quite easy question. And let's see how we can solve this question in less amount of time using the logical method. So if this question appears, what I will do? First I will assume that let's say total work is W. TW stands for W. These are shortcut scripts I am writing because in exam you don't have to write much. So total work is W. Now as per the question, P plus Q plus R P plus Q plus R can do this W units of work in 15 days. So P plus Q plus R, can I say 1 day work would be how much? P plus Q plus R 1 day work would be W by 15, because in 15 days they are doing W units of work. So in 1 day they will do W by 15. Another information given out R. R 1 day work would be how much? The question says that R alone is doing W units of work in 75 days. So R 1 day work would be W by 75, because 75 days he is doing W, 1 day he will do W by 75. So by common sense, what should be our total work? What should be the value of W? Can I say W we can take as 75 units, because 75 is divisible by 15 as well as 75. So can I say P plus Q plus R 1 day work would be 5, R 1 day work would be 1. This will really help us to solve the question in less time. So R 1 day work is 1, P plus Q plus R 1 day work is your 5. Now next, but the question says that P plus Q plus R together work for 2 days. So P plus Q plus R 2 day work would be how much? 2 day work. P plus Q plus R 2 day work would be 10. In 1 day they are doing 5, 2 days they will do 10. Question says that then P left. Q plus R worked for next 10 days. We don't know the work of Q and R, so I will not take this statement. Further information given is that R alone completed the remaining work in 40 days. So it means that R alone for next 40 days he worked. So R 40 days work would be how much? 40 day work, because question says that R alone do for next 40 days he worked. So 40 days work for R alone would be how much? 40 units. So total work done by this two is 50 units. What is the work left? What is the work left? Work left is 25 units, because 50 is done, 25. Now by common sense, this work must have been done by Q and R, because we have taken P plus Q plus R as well as R alone. So this 25 work is done by Q plus R in 10 days as per the question, because Q and R are working together for 10 days. So in these 10 days they have done 25 works. So can I say Q plus R 1 day work would be how much? 2.5. Q plus R 1 day work would be 2.5. Now this question is almost solved. We know that P plus Q plus R 1 day work is 5. Together they are doing 5 units of work, out of which Q and R is doing 2.5. So by common sense, P alone 1 day work, I'm just writing here, P alone 1 day work would be how much? P plus Q plus R doing 5, out of which Q and R is doing 2.5. So P alone 1 day work is 2.5. So in 1 day P is doing 2.5 units of work. So how many days he will take to complete the work? Total work is 75. So he will 1 day is doing 2.5. So total number of days will be 75 by 2.5, that is 30. 30 would be our final answer. So P alone will take 30 days to complete the work.